Alright, welcome. So, started up Pwned-1. Haven't done this machine yet. It's on Proving Ground, so let's go ahead and see what we can do on this guy. This has nothing to do with Pwned-1. So we'll go ahead and zoom in here. And we'll see if we can get anything on Pwned-1. 80, 21, 22. Whenever I see 21, I always do a quick map scan of that. Well, that's running. Let's go ahead and check out port 80. Vancouver Nava, hello friend. Last note from attacker. It did say that was attacked. Can you see anything that was left behind? Yeah, I got something. Alright, I'm Ann Lynn. I'm the hacked your server with the employees, but they don't know how I use them. Okay. Now they worry about this. Before finding me, investigate your employees first. Then find me, Boomers XD. Okay. Yep. Whatever all that means. Let's go ahead and see if they got anything else in here. Nothing in here, but we can check out that version number, see if there's anything with that. Well, let's go ahead and do a Python 3 dir search, and we'll look up anything in there. And let's do a search exploit for VSF TPD 3.0, 3.0.3 remote denial service. It's not really helping out very much now, is it? I'm going to check it out right here. That would be boom, vulnerabilities. Looks like there's one. Vulnerabilities. We can also pull something up. Security bypass vulnerability. So I have seen. I'll say I know I've seen this before. I don't know if we got anything on Metasploit for this guy. This is for unspecified vulnerability at 3.0.2 and earlier. Alright, 3.0.3. Yeah. I don't think I got anything from Metasploit in this guy. We can go to MSF console. Cannot resolve DNS. No, you cannot. Those are facts. And try MSF console. Let dir search do his thing over there, and we'll see where we can go from here. We have 2.3.4 backdoor, but other than that, that looks like the only VSF TPD thing. So the only way we're going to get into there, what was that person's name again? We have less note from the attacker and Lynn. So we can always try a Hydra with that. Maybe lowercase a at first. See if she see if she might have left the port open in FTP for herself to be able to get back into, or maybe even SSH. Doesn't look like it. We'll try SSH also. Let's go ahead and do Ann Lynn with a capital A. And see if we get anything with there. And while that's running also, oh wow, that goes really, really fast. That was really, really fast. We are starting to get some stuff over here. Alright, let's go ahead and Nico attack URL. Finding Boomers XD. Let's go ahead and do a Rust scan also. I wonder if that Boomers XD has anything to do with anything. 21, 22, 80. Index HTML. I wonder if they have like a robots.txt in here. Allow nothing and hidden text. Okay, so they do. Alright, so we can try that. Nothing. And we'll go ahead and also hidden text. It was like that, right? Underscore. Yep. And then go in there and go into there. Nothing.html and secret dictionary / hacked. Jesus. Home root. Okay. So, I wonder if those are anything that we need to be looking at, like right there. We have nothing.html. I said nothing. Okay. Cool. I said nothing here, you waste your time, I don't lie. Alright, cool. And then we got our secret dictionary. So I'm wondering if it's going to be like... what I'm wondering is if we have to do a Python dir search and have that dictionary. So let me go ahead and make a directory for this. Desktop. What am I on? Proving Grounds. And this is called... I don't know what the box is even called. Pwned1. Okay. Nano web dictionary.txt. Let's try that. And we'll do a Python 3 dir search, and instead of using this common.txt, we'll try that one. Let's be for IP address first. And that will be for, see, I've done it so much where I just freaking just press up or whatever. I forgot to actually do this. Yeah, tac W, okay. And that's going to be, yep, webdictionary.txt. We'll try that, like right there. Didn't get anything else in that Rust scan, did I? Ooh, we got Pwned1. That's something, okay. Try that. Username, password, backup Nava, I hacked your login page too with advanced hacking method. Sure is really advanced. Yeah, it looks super advanced. Username is username, password, password. Password is boss princess, and the username is FTP user. That was super advanced. If the username is FTP user and password is boss princess, echo welcome. Yeah, they used a super advanced thing on that one, didn't they? Control V, okay, and then we'll go back to here. We'll go into here, Control V. I'm also wondering if that'll work for FTP. That's probably going to work for FTP, huh? So let's go ahead and go back into here, and we'll FTP into it. Should be this like right here. And we have our username, I think, of FTP user. I think, else invalid credits. Okay, so let's try that. FTP user, password, we'll try this boss princess. And that got us in there. Okay, that was real advanced methods. This guy's elite. IDRSA and note.txt. Actually, I don't want to do it in there because I'm just going to end up messing stuff up. Oh wait, I'm good in here, right? I'm in the correct directory, right? Yeah, I'm good, okay. So we'll go ahead and get star. And that's just going to get both of them. Go ahead and exit out here. Stack LA. And we have our cat note.txt. Ariana won't be, wow, you are here. Ariana won't happy about this note. Sorry, Ariana. Alright, so we have an Ariana now. And we have our IDRSA. Let's go ahead and cat that. See, that is actually an IDRSA key. 100% is. I'm going to stop this down here. Stop this down here. Alright, cool. Probably stop this over here too. So we have an IDRSA key. I'm going to go with this. Is going to be Ariana's IDRSA key. So I'm going to SSH into Ariana. That didn't work the way I planned it to. Ariana at the IP address that we want to do, right? Which is going to be this one. It's intermediate. And we're going to use tag ID RSA because we're going to be using the identity file. And I messed that up. It's not going to work. Ready? It's not going to work. So you ask first password, change mode, 600 ID RSA first off. Then we can go ahead and do it again. Shouldn't ask first password because our privileges shouldn't be that high. There we go. So you still know your password into that. Let's see what she has in here. Cat user1.txt. Your flag is in another file. Cat local.txt. There's one flag. Cool. Hopefully it's been past 15 minutes. We're about to find out. We cannot submit a flag yet because it has not been 15 minutes. And that's called being quick. Alright, let's go on a CD into desktop. Proving Grounds, and this one is, I don't remember the name of this one. What's this thing called? What am I trying to do here? Pwned1. Echo into local.text. Okay. We do have the SSH. There's user1.text. Ariana personal diary. Got that. See if we can find any passwords. Ariana's personal diary. Today, Selena fight with me for AJ, so I opened her hidden text on the server. Now she's responsible for the issue. So supposedly Selena has a hidden text on the server. So let's see what that is. CD in the var www HTML maybe. CD in the hidden text. Let's see what that is. Cat. We already got that, didn't we? It must be CD in the Pwned1. Index.html. Didn't we already see all this? Yeah, we did. It's like where we got the username and password right from Boss Princess. Okay, cd/home. See what else is on this box. We have FTP user, Ariana, who we are like right now. We have Selena. Or not CD in messenger, CD in Selena. Okay, let's go ahead and cat that messenger.sh. Ooh. Welcome to Linux Messenger users. And who's this being ran by? Messenger? It's being ran by root. We can't write to it, but we're allowed to execute it. What in the hell? What's this doing? Enter username to send message. Selena? Message sent to Selena. Okay. Go ahead and check out our SCID bits, things like that. There might be something I could probably do with that, huh? But I can't change it all. Might be able to change it. That's really... Let's see, password. Does anyone have their password in here? Selena, no. Ariana, no. I'm going to go with the root, no. Let's try SU in the root and do password root. That is always something you want to try. Okay, nope. Alright, just want to make sure. Let's go ahead and throw limpies at it. CD into privilege escalation, also script limpies. Python, attack M, simple server. Let me get my IP address like real quick. And we'll go ahead and we'll throw limpies at this guy, see if we can get that. So wget 888 limpies .sh. It's probably up CD into temp. There we go. And we'll do that again and change mode to executable for limpies.sh, and we'll go ahead and run that like real quick. And we'll see if we see anything in there. Might be able to use. See what that's all about. So you may be able to escalate privileges with it. I'm supposed to ever log into here? I don't know. They already have a shell on them, so. See if we can do run C. If we do run C, we might be able to do this, I guess. That would be the way that they expected you to gain privileges, but so FTP user has their IDRSA keys, Ariana has their IDRSA keys. Might be able to go in that share also and find FTP users. So far we have run C and FTP users IDRSA keys. Let's see. Let me go ahead and echo. So we have FTP. Well, what was that one thing? We have that. What should be? We have run C. Where was that run C at? Let's echo in like a possible escalation thing here. Where the heck is that run C at? I wonder if I can do like a locate for it. It wasn't red. No. Like a whole line in red. There it was. User bin run C. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Already copied that guy down there. Log in now. Ariana reboot. System reboot. Not really seeing. Okay. Alright. Docker, video, root. No password to run that messenger. I really do think, but I can't write to it. Or if I do like an echo and write to it, and then just do like some type of like netcat or something like that on there. Reverse shell, start up a listener, and then become bash like that, or become root like that. Useful software, so they do have netcat, netcat traditional, base64, Python 3. So they do have some useful reverse shell software on there. And then the sudo version, nothing that's red and yellow on this whole thing. So we're going to stop that. Priv s maybe. Text. Okay. So let's go ahead and look in that FTP user first. Let's see if we can do run C first. So let's do the user tested. Let's see if we can do a run C. So it looks like we can. So we might be able to use that. Because if it says run C tech help, get the help and see if run C is installed. Yep. Run C spec, this will create the config.json file in your current folder. Okay, let's try that. Whoops. What we want to do, run C spec. Permission denied. Okay. Open config.json file, permission denied. Inside the mouse section of the create config JSON. Okay, so we can't do that. Alright, that sucks. What other one do we have? We had, let's try going to and use his ID RSA, CPN's area permissions, or maybe even just cd/home. Let's try to echo something in that messenger. So echo a netcat reverse shell maybe in that messenger. Let's go ahead and cat scripts, whoopsie daisy, cat scripts, and C reverse shell. Remember, got to change that IP address. That's all. Come on, Ron. There we go. Okay. Into messenger.sh. See if that works. Permission denied. Okay, so I cannot echo something into there. Can I append it, though? I don't think so. I can't write to it. So I don't think so. Yeah, permission denied. Let's go ahead and cd and SP user. And let's see if we can share. Okay, that's the ID RSA key that we already used to get in. Whew, man, now we're having a little bit of an issue doing privilege escalation. So that's like right where maybe this is why it was harder than what we thought it was actually going to be. I don't know. SUID bit didn't really show me anything that was out of place. Run C did not work. Couldn't do anything with that, so that made my life a little more difficult. Oh, my freaking eye. NetDev's a new one for me. I haven't really seen that. I don't know what that's all about. That NetDev thing right there. So that could be something. So cd/home /away /messenger. See if we can get into Selena like this. Selena bin bash. We do that. Ariana. So we're still Ariana. We try to do a bin bash. I wonder if we do like a exclamation point bin bash or something like that. And if we can get Selena from there, because we're still Ariana, I wonder if we can do something like that. Because we didn't go back to, it just sent the message to her. You know what I'm saying? Like it did last time. So, that was Python 3, right? Okay, this is cat. Python 3, or full shell. Let's go try to just get Python 3 up and run here. Okay. So let's try it again with Messenger. SELENA. We'll try to send a message to Selena. The slash bin bash is not work. Bin bash. I wonder if bin sh will work. ID. Nope. Can I like Control C? Can I like an exit? Alright, cool. So message sent. Alright. That's weird. Okay. Selena slash bin bash. Exit. ID. Huh. That was like the best idea that I had. What can she run again? We do that cat that actually I do look up one more time, see what she can actually run again. Can't do a sudo tac L or anything like that. I wonder sudo messenger.sh. I don't know her password. I don't think I do I? No, I got in through, what was it called? Cat messenger.sh. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay. Welcome to Linux Messenger. Thank you, bin bash. Okay. Cat, etsy password, grep home, boom, boom. Okay, echo users, enter username, send message, name, boom, boom. Okay, echo, boom, boom. Okay. There's gotta be something with that user messenger. So I'm gonna head back up to where my limp piece go? Exit out of limp piece. The limp piece go away. See attempt. We're gonna run limp piece one more time. See if we can find anything with that message.sh in it. Someone has to be able to run that with sudo. And I wonder if I can do like a sudo, was it tac u, right? To have it run as another user. Can I do that? I wonder. I can't run her with sudo yet because I don't have her password. So how the heck am I going to do that? Yeah, I didn't get her. Did I get her password? Okay, sudo tac L. So we don't need that. So, okay, so Selena can run home messenger.sh. So I wonder if I can do a sudo tac u Selena for. Let me go on cd home. Sudo su sudo tac u, right? Selena, and she's going to run messenger.sh. Okay, Selena. Bin bash ID. There we go. Alright. Only get into Python 3. There had to be something with that. Alright, cool. Let's stack LA, so we're here now, right? So let's go ahead and cd into Selena. And we have user 2.text. Okay, we're not going to see anything in there. Selena personal diary. Cat that. Alright, today's Ariana fight with me for AJ. Okay. So I left her SSH again at P. These just hate each other. Let's see if we can cat the bash history. Nope, okay. Can I do a sudo tac L with you? No, okay. See what SUID bit you have. What can you run? Password, G-password, pretty much everything that's normal. Can you go to root? No. Okay. Selena, 115 Docker. Let's try to run libkeys again with Selena. We'll run that again. Yep, that Docker has something to do with it. Yep. Alright, cool. So, I don't know what we can actually do with that Docker. I wonder if GTFO-bins does. GTFO-bins, if they know what we can do with that Docker, because I sure don't. Docker, SUID. They seem to know something with it. Let's try. I mean, we can always try that. Okay. Where was that Docker at, anyways? That was not even close. Where did I see Docker at? That was in her ID. So, how the hell do I do that with Docker? How can I maybe just not run it like that? Maybe just Docker? Maybe just not have like Docker run? Oh, cd/root, elastic LA, and we'll pad our proof.text. Oh, right. So that was a fun one. I like that one, like right there. Head quit. Is this still not been 15 minutes? Yeah, it's been 26 minutes. Bull. Come on now. We've been taping for 26 minutes, so that's possible. It hasn't been 15 minutes yet. That is impossible. And I think I gotta wake up my son here in a minute too. So, where the heck did that one go? What was it called? Pwned, right? Is that at the very top? There it is. Okay. Yeah, we've been working out for 30 minutes. Save that. Alright, cool. And then we also have the other one, right? So I can cat my local.txt, right? And we have this one right here. That one we may have gotten before 15 minutes. But the other one, definitely not. Definitely not. Alright, awesome. So that was Pwned1. Alright, that was intermediate. I guess community ranked as easy. I don't know, I thought it was kind of intermediate. I thought the way to be able to escalate privileges and move throughout the system was more intermediate. So I kind of felt with that one. So I thought it was intermediate, but we'll see. And yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something. I know I did. I never did that Docker like that one before. I ran the Alpine Docker before, like the LXD thing and that little whatever back in Cali, and then you do it like that. But I never ran it like that before. So, and yeah, so hopefully you guys learned something just like I did, and have a good day.